Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest evolution of System 76's cosmic desktop environment, Cosmic Alpha 5. If you're a fan of cutting-edge tech and a little bit of patience, you're in for a treat. So the Cosmic Desktop has been in the works for what feels like forever. It's kind of like waiting for Half-Life 3, am I right? But hey, all great things take time and System 76 is making sure Cosmic is worth the wait. Not too long ago, we got our first sneak peek with Cosmic Alpha 1. Fast forward a few releases and now we're at Alpha 5. Let's check out what's new in this version. First up, the Cosmic Media Player is now the default media app. It's built for smooth video playback, using Vulkan for rendering and VAAPI for decoding. The devs have plans to add audio playback and a tree view for managing media files soon. Pretty exciting, right? Another major upgrade is with Variable Refresh Rate, or VRR. Now, Cosmic factors in the minimum refresh rate of your display, so you won't experience jitter when moving the cursor over apps running below the refresh rate threshold. Moving on, there's a brand new Users page in the System and Accounts settings menu. You can now manage user accounts, change usernames, reset passwords, and tweak admin permissions. It's all about making life easier. Here's another cool update. Alt plus Tab and Super plus Tab now let you switch between apps in order of activity, perfect for multitaskers like me. Oh, and Cosmic Terminal has been upgraded too. You can now click on a URL and it'll open right up in your default browser. Other notable changes include compatibility with Linux kernel 6.12, better file-saving options, improved screenshot handling for vertical monitors, and even smoother context menu interactions. Lots of little things coming together to make Cosmic awesome. If you're eager to try it out, head over to the official website to download the ISO images. They've got versions for Intel/AMD and NVIDIA systems, both running on popos 24.04 LTS alpha. One quick note though, this is still a work in progress. I'd recommend using it for testing, not as your main desktop environment. I tested it on a virtual machine, and while most things worked fine, so just keep that in mind. That's all for today's update on Cosmic Alpha 5. What do you think of the progress so far? Are you excited for the stable release? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.